Yeah, introduce about yourself.
So my name is Arna, and my full name is Arna Gupta.
Okay, your name is
And
Arna. In the form it was different. Some call us Anika something. Anika.
I don't know, sir.
Just a minute, wait. I just want to know whether whether you have joined this correct meeting or not. Okay, yeah. In the form, it is actually Anika, and your father name I don't know. Yeah, parents name it is written as Alok.
Yeah,
Aloki, right?
yeah.
Okay, yeah, fine. Then there's a mistake, I guess. What is the name actually? Arna.
His name is Alok only.
So sorry.
His name, my father's name is Alok only.
Okay,
Uh, he must have filled my sister's name,
okay, yeah. What is your name exactly?
Arna, and my sister's name is Anika.
Okay, you're from grade six, right?
Yeah, she's also from grade six.
Okay, both are from grade six. Okay, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, then it's Anika's session, right? Why are you attending?
Okay. Should I just ask my mom?
Okay, like I just want to know whether they have booked session for both of you guys.
I don't know about that.
That's just confirm whether with your father whether he has booked session for both of you guys. Like
Yes, sir.
for me at present, I am being allocated with Anika.
Yes, sir. Just a minute. I'll just check it out.
Yeah, just check it out and come back. Fine. Yeah, you can continue introducing. Like I just stopped in
Yes,
middle.
so, as I said, I was Arna, and my hobbies are mostly playing games on the computer and watching TV.
Okay, you play games in computer. That's good.
Yes,
Okay, like what kind of games do you play? You can tell me. Even
I
I am a gamer.
there's a game called Roblox, if you know.
Okay, that's a famous game. Yeah. Apart from that, any different kind of game like action thriller?
Apart from that, I don't know. So I usually play with them with my friends.
Okay, you play the multiplayer games much, right?
Which games, sir?
Multiplayer, multiplayer games.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, fine. Yeah, but my genre is totally different. I don't play something like Roadblocks. Mine is totally related with violence. The games which are related to violence. Okay, yeah, fine. Yeah. Okay, do you attend any coding sessions previously?
Yes, I had attended a demo session and then I didn't attend it. Then I didn't
Okay.
attend the class.
Okay, then what did you learn there?
So they went back to code and they something all coding.
Okay, blocking.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah, blocking. Yeah. Okay, then you might know like the basics of coding and all those stuff. Right?
Yes.
I think it's not necessarily the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Uh,
Can you tell me what's coding? Just in a simple words, anything that gets into your mind.
so coding is a basically a program which you have to write codes that you want it to do.
Okay, good. Okay, yeah, yeah. What you told was right. Like we are instructing computer to do a set of things by passing some kind of a program. Yeah, you're right.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, very good. Yeah, like you have any idea like what we're gonna learn in this today's session?
No, sir.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, this session is no blockly. This session is more than kids. Like you'll be learning Python in this session. Python is some kind of a programming language, same like a Blockly. But what's the difference is in Blockly, it's ready-made. Like there'll always already be blocks. You have to just use those blocks. But here you have to
Yes.
write them. Like you have to write them manually. You have to use and you have to think and
So,
all you
sir,
have to do.
this Python is a large program. Then, sir, how do you remember all these codes then?
Yeah, there's no need to remember all these codes. The only thing you have to do is there are some tags you have to remember, like print, how to create a function, how to create a class, how to create objects. all you have to do is remember some of the concepts and use those concepts in it. Okay, like you have to keep reusing those concepts somewhere anywhere else you wanted. Like there is no like very big programs. Okay, like what you are telling, you told all these modules or something. There are not many, there are only few. All you have to do is you have to reuse the same modules again and again, as I told. The objects, the class, and all those things. In upcoming classes you can learn many more, like how to create a function, all those things. Okay, for now we'll see something called as introduction of programming. Okay,
What of programming, sir?
introduction. Introduction of programming.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah, fine. Okay, yeah, yeah, good sense of humor. Okay, yeah, can we start the session?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, please share your screen.
Yes, sir. So should I share my whole screen or the Google
Yeah,
sheet?
yeah, anything is fine, even a
Okay, so I'm
Google
sharing
sheet.
the Google screen because my net is slow today.
Okay, okay, security, even I can understand. Okay,
No,
yeah.
it's not security, sir.
Okay, yeah. Okay, now type techie and search. TEKIE. Okay, you're taking, I mean, like you're going attending school through online classes or offline?
Online, sir.
Okay, I actually forgot to ask. Where are you from exactly? City?
So I'm Mumbai only.
Mumbai.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, understood. Heart of India, Mumbai. Financial, everything, stocks and everything is from Mumbai. Okay, yeah, open the first link. Yeah, I am in the second heart of India, Bangalore, the Silicon City. Okay,
Bangalore.
yeah. Okay, now press on login. Okay, your screen is kind of lagging.
Yeah, that's why, sir. I just shared the screen.
Okay, yeah, fine. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Enter the same mobile number using which you have registered for the class. Enter your sister's mobile number actually.
Yeah, that means my father's.
Yeah. Otherwise, I can't start the class from my end. Okay.
Just a second, sir. I will just ask my father to give the
Okay, okay.
OTP.
Yeah, take your time, take your time. Okay. You're not getting the OTP?
Sir, just to minute, my father's outside, so I'm calling him.
Okay, do one thing. It may take some time. Do one thing. Try 1101.
Okay, sir.
It's a master OTP. That's why it will work. 0101, not 00.
Okay.
1101. Yeah, it will work. Okay, can we start the session?
Yes, sir.
Okay, click on start session once it loads.
Yes, sir, it's loaded.
Yeah, start session. Sorry, not found.
Yes, sir,
Yeah,
it's here.
thank God. I thought some issue has arisen because you're using your sister's account, right? That's why. Okay, if you're fine. Yeah, don't start the video. Let me explain. Yeah, in Techie, like we kind of created some kind of an animated series for the kids in which we have integrated some coding concepts. Just a minute. Yeah, sorry. As I told, we have created some kind of an animated not animated series for the kids where we have integrated all the concepts like coding, what is Python, and all those stuff. Do one thing, watch the video carefully, and we will discuss after watching the video like what you saw and all those things. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you can continue watching.
Man, I'm so exhausted. A limitless universe lies out there with a lifetime of experiences. If only I could break out of these walls.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, wait a sec. Who was it?
I'm here, above you.
Whoa!
Just stay calm. No need to panic, Theo.
You know my name? How can you talk? You are a bird.
Well, I'm not from around here.
Meaning?
I'm from a different planet.
Hmm.
So you believe me?
Why not? I don't think Earth has talking owls.
I'm from Oak.
Oh? Never heard of it.
Nobody knows it here.
You even elope the eyes of NASA. Interesting. So, why come to Earth?
Our planet is in danger.
I'll need more than that.
All right.
There's a planet that once knew no sadness. A planet where technology has made lives easy and exciting. Most people would think of this place to be found only in imagination, but in fact, it has existed all the time. This planet has some special animals, the wise masters of Oak. They made sure we all prospered and gave us all kinds of automation.
Okay, it's a happening planet, yada yada yada. What next?
Robots, explosions, and then doomsday.
Huh?
Need more? You better listen.
Okay.
Then masters created robots with emotions to safeguard our village. It was the best gift ever to our planet. We lived in harmony for years.
Till one day. Sorry, listening.
One day, a deadly virus infected these robots, transforming them into something really monstrous. It led the planet to its mass destruction. The masters tried to save the planet, but they were taken captive. Animals failed. The planet was taken over. But Masters had a backup plan. They programmed a safe hideout which cannot be traced by the robots.
And this gadget you see around my neck,
What about it?
it's programmed to look for a successor who will help save our planet.
So this weird thing brought you here.
It chose you.
What? Why me?
I don't have an answer to that yet.
Well, what's happening?
It seems you're waking up.
Huh?
Remember, Theo, you're Oak's last hope.
Wait, I didn't get your name.
So, hey, Theo, wake up.
Kai, you at my house?
You crashed in the library, dude.
My bad.
Man, you're something, you know?
I know. I'm amazing. So what's for lunch?
Tacos.
My favorite. Let's go to cafeteria.
Your mom and dad still not back?
A couple of months more. Anyway, you won't believe the dream I just saw. I was on a cliff.
Seriously, you're talking now.
Yeah,
You've got some bizarre imagination.
tell me about it. Still, saving a planet would be a blast.
The chosen one. Has a nice ring to it.
Yeah. That dream felt awfully real. Like a fragment of my memory. Yeah, right. Like an owl could ever talk. Hope I'm not going insane. Oh God. Guess I should pack. Other fellows would be back soon.
See you on Monday.
Yeah.
Beware of the owl. Don't let it drag you.
Sure. It wouldn't be bad though.
What do you want to be when you grow up, Theo?
A scientist. Just like you and Mom.
That's a wonderful choice, honey.
Thanks, Mom. Three years since they left, and it still feels like yesterday. Damn, what's up with me today? The owl really messed me up. And I'm back. Home, sweet home. Two lonesome days and back to school. If only Oak and the owl were real.
We are.
Seriously? Am I dreaming again?
No, not this time.
So Oak, its destruction, masters, all that's real.
Yeah,
But how did you fly into my dream?
feel the back.
What's this?
That's Reliquin. It linked your conscience with mine. And when you fell asleep,
It allowed you to enter my dream.
you're a quick one.
When did it get on me?
I dropped it this morning.
I'm ready. Take me to Oak. I can't wait to see what other cool stuff you got.
Okay, but be warned. The robot army is dangerous.
I'm willing to take the risk. Besides, I'm done being in my parents' shadow.
You seem excited.
Of course.
He's just a kid and knows nothing about us.
You're still on about that? Have some faith in the prophecy.
Empty words.
I know we've little to go with, but
Like Zog said.
only time will tell what he's meant to do.
Yeah, till then.
We teach him to keep him busy.
Theo, meet Tyra and Zoe. Don't let their appearance fool you. They're quite good at what they do.
Hi, Theo.
Hey, Squirrel, what's up with you?
Don't worry, he'll come around. White.
Yeah? So, what's the plan?
We start by rescuing the Masters.
But we don't know their locations yet.
So no guns and blazes?
It isn't some sci-fi movie, dude.
Well, the devices you use say otherwise.
They do? I think they're pretty normal.
Normal? Now that makes me feel I'm not on Earth anymore.
Glad your brain recognized that.
Right now, you're not familiar with Theo.
Not exactly. I know your technology is far more advanced than Earth.
Then, why not start from here? Learn Oak's technology.
Does that mean I'll learn to make cool gadgets like Reliquium?
Gradually.
All right, where do we start?
From the beginning. So, you must have used WhatsApp.
Yes,
And YouTube.
yes, of course.
And you surely would have spent hours gaming.
Man, Fortnite, Minecraft, played them all.
Well, ever thought how these things are made? What magic happens that you're able to see someone over a video call?
Or how does your player jump over trains in subway surface?
How are they made?
They're all creations of programming.
Programming? What's that?
Okay, what's your routine when you go to school?
Well, first, my alarm clock wakes me up. Then I get ready, eat my breakfast, walk to my school, study. After the classes, I go back home and crash out.
So basically, you follow some step-by-step instructions to go to school.
Yeah,
Likewise, programs are step-by-step instructions a computer follows to achieve its goals.
Like when you press the unlock button on your phone, it follows some set of instructions to unlock.
so programming is the reason.
Huh, pretty much.
But how do we ask the computers to make these programs?
By talking to them. Okay, in what language are we talking?
English?
Yo, like we have our own language, computers have their own.
Which they understand based on logic.
Logic?
Yep.
Computers understand just two numbers, 0 and 1.
We call them binary digits.
But how can I talk with just two numbers?
For now, understand it this way. Computers use a combination of zeros and ones to identify alphabets and numbers.
Like, it identifies the alphabet A as 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. B as 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0.
And so on.
Damn, do I need to learn them all?
No, Theo, computers remember it for you.
Say, you want to talk to a Japanese who doesn't speak English.
I need a translator who can translate what I say into Japanese.
And translates back into English, correct?
Likewise, computers also have a translator to convert alphabets and numbers into zeros and ones.
And we call this translator as an interpreter.
So when I talk to a computer, I don't have to bother myself talking in zeros and ones.
Yep, for now, think of it this way. You just give your instructions in a language closer to English.
We call this language as a high-level language.
Which is translated into the language the computer understands.
Whew, that's helpful.
And, like we have different languages to talk to each other,
Computers also have multiple languages.
like Python, Swift, Java.
Okay, so which language will I learn?
Python is the simplest one.
And being the closest language to English,
We can program in Python easily.
Perfect.
so Theo, ready to make your first program?
I'm nervous. This is my first time.
This is Python shell, where you write programs.
Make sure to put hello in double quotes.
Let's press enter to see what it gives.
Wow. The computer says hello.
The print command asks Mr. Python to display what's inside the brackets.
I want to make one more program.
Let's do some math.
It's amazing.
It is.
But how do we make a reliquum using this?
Great things take time, Theo. Slowly, slowly.
I'm rooting for you.
It might be a drag, but I'll help you out.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Firstly, how was the video?
Sir, it was very good. Awesome.
Yeah. That's it. No bad comments. Anything?
No, sir.
Okay. You're watching only for first time. That's why you're in like you're telling it okay. Like I'm watching this like 10 times or 20 times because I take multiple demonstrations. That's why. Like I know the
Yes,
video is bit lengthy.
I was thinking, so you might be bored in the 30 minutes.
Yeah, I know the video is bit lengthy. I can't do anything. I can't tell them to change the curriculum. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, before, yeah, you told the video was nice. Okay, fine. Okay, can you tell me one or two concepts you saw in the video? Technical, not about the topic.
So there's two digits called 1 and 0 that are called binary digits, and the computer uses them.
Okay.
So there's an interpreter which translates our language to zeros and ones, which the computer understands.
Okay, very good.
And
Okay, yeah, fine. That's enough. Yeah. Okay, you can call first thing. You can call me Shubash. Okay, don't need to call sir. I
no,
mean, like
sir, it's
whenever you call me sir, like I feel like I'm kind of uncle or what.
no, sir. It's still sir and it's good, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah, your wish. Yeah, but I'll feel like an uncle. Okay. Yeah, as you told, computer understands only one language. That is only two numbers. That is 0 and 1. Both are called
Yes,
as binaries, as you
binary
told.
digits. Yes,
Yeah. Now, this binaries is also called as a machine language because the machine understand. I mean, the language that machine understands is machine language. That's it. Okay. Now, we can write program in. I mean, like we can as you told, the computer understands only zeros and ones. So if we want computer to do any task, like if you want to tell a computer do a task, then we can write program in zeros and ones also. But there are two issues here. One is, if as we saw right there, for A itself it was a combination of zeros and ones, it was very big. So
yes,
for B it might be some other zeros and ones, for C it might be some other combination, right? So for writing just print of hello world, it can take a very large time. That is one issue. And the other issue is, like, even if you one miss, I mean, even if you miss one number, that is if you change 0 to 1 or 1 to 0, the whole program is done. It will crash in middle. So what we do is we try to write program in the language we understand. We can write program in a languages like English, Hindi, or any language that you are comfortable with. And now the issue is here, the computer doesn't understand our language. So what we do is we use some kind of a translator in middle. As you said, we use a translator to convert whatever we wrote into zeros and ones. The concept is similar, like yeah. Before I tell the example, do you like Japan or China?
no, sir.
You don't like. Okay, then it's better to take Germany. Like last in the last session, I mean, like, I didn't ask him whether he likes Japan or not. I just told him, consider you have gone to Japan. He told I'll not go to Japan. That's why rudely he told me. That's why I'm asking everyone whether you like to go to Japan or not. Yeah, let's go to Switzerland. Okay, okay. In Switzerland, the language they speak is German. Let's consider that. Okay. Now it is similar, like you have gone to Switzerland and you doesn't know German, and you know only one language, that is considered you know Hindi. And if you speak to a German person in Hindi, will you understand?
No, sir.
No, right? He'll shout on you like anything. So what we'll do, we'll just take our phone and we'll just use Google Translator for that thing, or otherwise we will use some local guide who knows both the languages, right?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
even here, the translator knows both the languages. That is, he has to know our language also as well as machine language also. That is zeros and ones also. So now we are using such a translator. Now the name of this translator, like a technical name, is called as interpreter. It has only one job. Its job is to take whatever the code we write and convert it to zeros and ones. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? You can ask me
No, sir.
immediately. Okay.
No, sir. There are no doubts.
If you have any doubts, right, just stop immediately, okay, before going into the other concepts.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, it'll become mixed masala. Okay, yeah, where am I? Yeah, like I was talking about translators, interpreter. Its job only one thing, to do the conversion. Okay. Now you might have been thinking like, if we write in English itself, then what is this Python and Swift and all those things? Like now Python and Swift and all these, whatever we write, whatever I mean, like within Python and Swift, we are writing using English language, our language. But why are we using Python and all these things is because the interpreter has to understand one language, right? Like he has to understand one language. Now the language he understands is Python, Swift, Java, and all this stuff. So we are writing the Python program, but inside our Python program, we are using our own language, our native language, like English or Hindi or anything. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubts? This is how
No,
the
sir.
program flow goes. First, you have to write your own. The other thing is like whatever the language you use, that is the English one you use, right? Actually, it's called as high level language. Okay. Whatever
Yes,
language
they are called HLLs.
Yeah, yeah. Whatever language we write is called as high level language. Whatever the computer understands is called as low level language because it doesn't have so much IQ. It understands only zeros and ones. Okay, we have high IQ. Okay, yeah. Any doubts?
Yes, sir. Then how can we write in Hindi? How will the machine understand it? I
For
never looked in Hindi.
Yeah, even I never looked at Hindi, but we can write. Actually, we can write in Hindi. What happens is we will be using other translator in middle. We'll be using some third party plugins for that. I mean, if you are using something called as, how to explain you, how to explain it, like you'll be some using some kind of a software where you will be writing the programs. Okay, there you have to install some third party plugins where whenever you run the program, it will convert the Hindi to English, and the English one will be given to the interpreter. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Trust me, even I didn't try. Till now, I haven't tried any local language at all. Okay. I don't know. I don't know even how to do, but I definitely I know they'll use some plugin for that purpose. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Can we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Click on next. Yeah, as I told here, we have created some kind of activities for the students so that they can learn by enjoying. Here, the activity is like some two persons are being chatting with each other, like a normal conversation. One guy is trying to execute a Python program, and other guy is trying to help him. Okay, just this there you can see something called a press button. Just press on that button to get the new messages. Okay, keep reading the messages until you get a message with play button.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, continue. Wait, yeah, stop here. Have you attended any? I mean, like any attend? Have you attended any session in Techie previously?
No, sir. I only said that I only attended demo, but it was not
Because
based on Python. It was
yeah,
based on Java.
okay. Because you're, I mean, you're reading the activity like Flash. Like for some people, it takes time to read the messages. You're just clicking and clicking. Just in 2 seconds, you
No,
get the
I'm
message.
reading. I'm reading, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah, yeah. Press on the button, play button. Yeah, that's why I got it out. Whether she has attended any sessions so that she knows all these things. Okay. Yeah, fine. Yeah. Actually, this screen is called as. Arey yaar, come on. Yeah. Actually, this screen is called as Python shell. Okay. Now the left side window is called as Python editor, and the right side window is called as output. You have some. I mean, like you have some knowledge regarding computer science, right? Like what are inputs and outputs and all those things. You would have
Yes, sir.
studied in academics also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here, as you output is the place where you see the output. Yeah, where you see the answers or something like whatever the code you wrote. Okay.
Yes, sir. Results.
Yeah. Like okay. Before going into this, what were they talking about in the chat?
But, sir?
Like what were they talking in the chat previously? You read
Okay,
right?
sir. So there was one person who was stuck with his program. So he
Okay.
said, he said, say, print hello world. And he
Okay.
said, okay, let's just try it out. Then he tried it out and there was this error.
Okay. Now click. Now you can see the play button right on the screen. Just press on it. Okay, actually, this button name is called as a build button. Okay, just press once. Okay, actually, it is called as build button for P. I mean, like for kids understanding, I just tell as play button. Okay,
Build button, sir.
yeah, it's a build button. Okay, yeah. Can you read the last line? What is the last line?
Invalid syntax.
Very good. Yeah, you are the third person who is pronouncing it properly. It's a syntax, not syntax. Okay, very good. Yeah. Actually, we'll talk about what is this syntax and all those things. Please don't laugh. You are making me laugh. Okay, I have to be strict throughout the session. That is what teachers do. Yeah, fine. Okay, yeah, we talk about what is the syntax and all this stuff. Okay. Okay, favorite language in academics?
English.
Okay, good. Then it would be easy. Okay. In English,
Yes.
there are some kind of rules, right? Like for example, if you want to end a sentence, then you have to write a full stop. If you want to join two sentences, then you have to write a comma in between. If you want to write the location, places, or people's name, you have to write a capital letter at the beginning, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, what are all these? These are nothing but rules which are there in English grammar. If you want to write a sentence in English, then you have to follow these rules, right? Now, in the same way, even Python has some kind of rules. Python, sorry, yeah, Python has some kind of rules. And now, if you don't follow the rules, it will try to tell you that you are not following the rules. Please follow the rules. Okay. Now, these rules in Python are called as syntax. Syntax is nothing but rules. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah. Now, whenever you don't follow the rules, then you get something called a syntax error. Okay, syntax error means it is just trying to tell you, "Arey boss, you are not following the rules. Please follow the rules. Otherwise, I won't do anything. I can't do anything." Okay, got
Okay,
it?
sir.
Yeah, syntax,
Yes.
syntax error. Okay. Now, can you guess what is the issue here? Any
Yes,
guess?
sir. We have to put double inverted.
Try. Really, I'm getting it out. Really. Okay. I'm getting it out whether you attended the session previously.
No,
Okay.
sir. It was there in the video.
Okay, okay, no problem. Yeah, then it's very good. You have watched the video carefully. Yeah. Then try running. Okay, you're getting any error now?
No, sir.
Yeah. In Python, there's a rule called as not I can't tell the definition exactly. Yeah. There's a rule in Python whenever you want to write a word or whenever you want to print a word or alphabets or anything, it can be English or any language. Okay. If you want to print the words, then you have to write double quotes. You have to write words inside the double quotes. Okay. Double
Okay, sir.
quotes or single quotes. You can even try single quotes. Both will work. Okay, actually, what is the usage of print is if you want to display anything on the screen, then you have to use print. Okay, print is just nothing but a function which displays on the screen. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, both are working right. Single code and double code.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can use any one. Okay, any doubts?
No, sir.
Yeah, we can go back to the session. Okay, yeah, keep reading the messages. Okay, yeah, you can try printing something else since you have already told me what rule he broke.
Yes.
Sorry. What is your school name? Is it exactly?
Gundecha, sir.
Oh, sorry, sorry.
Sir, it's Gundecha, sir. Gundecha. Gundecha.
Okay,
Gundech.
okay, okay. Yeah, fine. I don't know where is it. Okay, you can try printing anything else. This is me. What? Okay, yeah, fine. Anything is fine. It's your wish, whatever you wanna print. Yeah, is it the same data? Is the data same?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can we continue with the session?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, you can continue till you get the next
Yes, sir.
play button. Do you watch Big Bang Theory, Arna?
No, sir.
Okay,
No,
okay.
sir.
Yeah, yeah, okay, fine. Yeah. I thought you watched Big Bang Theory and you became like that. Okay, no problem. Yeah, fine. Yeah. Yeah, just press on that button and we'll discuss and then we can run. Okay. Yeah. What were they talking about
They were
previously?
talking about now it worked and now the title to print 2 plus 3.
Okay. Now don't run it. Do you think this code will print two? What is 2 plus 3?
5, sir.
Okay. Do you think this code will print 5?
No, sir.
Why?
Because it has the double inverted commas.
Okay. Double inverted only for
But, sir,
double inverted only. When should double inverted? What type of data? What type of data you should write inside the codes?
the other thing you want on the output side.
Okay. Okay. What is something right? Okay. Now run. As you told, you write the 2 plus 3 because whenever anything inside double, then will not get the machine. Whenever it sees the double quotes, right, it not even think. It's a very dumb machine. It just writes in double quote, it just dump it out.
Yes,
Like, whenever see the double quote, just dump it. Even if you write 2 plus 3 or 2 asterisk 3 anything, it will not give you the output. So that when if you want to write a numbers, then you should not write numbers inside the double quotes or single quotes. Now try removing the
okay.
doubts. Okay. Okay. Now try to run. You're getting the output
Yes,
right?
sir.
Is it
Yes, sir.
proper?
Yes.
Okay, if you want to try any other type of calculation, division, you can try. Do you know the answer to check whether it's doing properly or not? Okay, try using calculator. Use calculator and try. Check whether you're getting the same out.
So it's something in E, so that I don't understand that.
What?
That the okay, should I try this calculator or the app calculator, sir?
You use anyone. Anyone is fine. I mean, I think in app there's a restriction, like, of I mean, like a
Yeah,
character.
it's over here also. I tried to find.
Try once
So
again.
that's a thing. Let me smaller number.
Oh, yeah. I just want to know whether you know that answer. Even for me, it will take half an hour to calculate that answer. Okay. Yeah, you're getting the answer right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can we proceed?
So I doubt that when we just after have written the code, do you delete it because after the number which I calculated first it did not disappear. So you just delete it and then
I didn't understand. Even a single word I didn't understand. What are you asking? Exactly.
so see if I have written print 4 into 5, so
Okay.
just delete this print this command and just write the next command
Where?
over here the Python editor only.
Okay. Yeah. Coming to that, it will not delete anything.
What's that?
Not delete anything. What happens here is whenever you give is 4, right? Now, if I have to explain all these concepts, it doesn't delete anything. Okay. First, it tries to read 4. It will store 4 somewhere else, and it will take something 5, and it will store somewhere else, and it will do operation, and it will store somewhere else. All I mean, storing somewhere else. Actually, it is storing in some memory location in hard drive somewhere, like temporary. Like it will store and it will provide. It will not delete anything. It deletes only when I mean, like actually commit deleted. Like for example, if you have stored 4 in some memory location, it deletes the number from there. It moves the number actually. Okay, never deletes. It moves. Okay. If you
Okay.
become, I mean, if you go to college and when you go, if you take engineering, then in computer science you find something like assembly language. Okay, in assembly language you will find types of move, copy, and all those things, but you will delete command to delete anything from it. Okay,
Okay.
we never delete it. We just copy it or move it to another version. Got it? Okay. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Yeah, you can proceed. Okay. Yeah. Please. Sorry. Okay. You can try again. Any numbers you want. Right. Your wish. I'm not the one who's not touch your. It's your wish. You want to touch your wish.
If I write 1 by 2 of 6, will it work like that or is it only simple calculation?
Yeah, it will work. Let's try. Oh, no. You should not give it that way. You don't write words off and all those things. Try into and all those things. 1 by 2 into 6. Try that way.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sometimes it works, but sometimes there's something called Bodmer's rule. Have you studied in school?
What?
Bodmer's rule.
What?
Bodmer's
No,
rule.
sir.
No, right. Yeah. Bodmer's rule, like there is a way for
Okay,
calculating.
Bodmas.
You would have heard right in Bodmer's. Yeah. Same Bodmer's even Python understands. Python understands which operator it has to calculate first. Like if you give 1 plus 2 asterisk 6, first it will calculate 2 asterisk because 2, I mean like asterisk has hierarchy. Then plus. That's what in the Bodmer's brackets, something. There is something
Yes, sir.
called. Yeah. Just give me a minute, okay? Okay.
Yes.
Check mark. తెలియదు చెప్పండి హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ ఒక హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ 9:30 స్టార్ట్ చేసి తిననా మీరు yeah sorry like my mother was calling for having dinner okay okay you had dinner
No, sir.
okay okay it'll definitely take 10:30 okay
Yes, sir. No problem. I'm not hungry, anyways.
okay yeah you can continue reading the messages.
Yes, sir.
I think you will finish it even soon. The way you're processing it in your brain, you're making like Flash. Do you know Flash?
No, sir.
Okay, okay,
Still,
then.
it's fun.
Okay, fine. Yeah, you just continue reading. Sorry.
How do we go on this thing?
Okay, yeah, continue. You'll get. Okay, yeah, yeah. What were they talking about?
But, sir, they could just simply, just this what we say. They could just simply put space in between. Why did they have to put comma and double quotes for the two words?
Okay, good question. You told why they have to put comma, right? Suppose do
Yes.
one thing. Consider if you want to print a number separately and a word separately. Then can you? Can you write one inside the double quotes and put a space? Will it work? It will work. It will show like hello space one. But actually, that one is not a number. It's a character. You understood
Yes,
my
sir.
point, right? Like, wait, let me
Yes, sir.
annotate on the screen once again. For example, consider, understand one thing. That is, yeah, Python understands the words, like different words based on the double quotes. First, it look at the double quotes, starting double and the closing double. How you write inside this double quote, it consider it as word or alphabet, and it will just dump it as it is. Okay. Even if you write, even if you use double quotes after closing it, you start thinking this is another word and it uses another closing character and whatever is written inside it it becomes second word. Got it? Now whatever you told we can write instead of writing two right words separately we can write hello. What if I want to print, sorry my I'm not using mouse, my writing is okay, it's so difficult to write without okay. If you want to print a word separately and number separately with space, then if I write inside double quotes like as you told hello consists and write one here, it will give you like hello space one. Actually, using this number, can you do any calculations like one plus two?
No, sir.
Because it's inside double quotes and it becomes a character. It doesn't become a number. So use it in this we make use of commas. So whenever you put a comma, you're trying to the computer. This is a separate. This is a subdivided word. This might be a word or a number. I don't know. So previous space between them. That's it. Got it?
Yes, sir.
You're just trying to give some space between the different, whether a character or a number. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Do one thing. Remove the space and try once.
Yes, sir. Right.
You getting the answer properly?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This space. Remove the space at both the places. Do one
Like
thing.
that?
Remove the comma. Sorry. Remove the comma. Sorry. I'm really sorry. Comma. Do one thing. Close the hello world. Close the double quote near hello and world. Make hello and world to as two separate words.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, in that way. Very good. Yeah. Okay, now hit on run button. Yeah, do the number. Better than the number, right? Because of Python is try considering it a character. And so, okay. I can say between it is considering both as a word. Got it? So to put space manually, you are adding a comma between them.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I need to ask even if it's a silly doubt, it matters.
No, sir, there's no doubt.
Okay. Okay, continue reading.
But I understand this.
I mean, like, whatever you see double quotes, right? Like, whether you write a word or number, whatever you double quotes, it's just a technique. Entity. The next upcoming topic is very important, so read carefully, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you can stop here. Okay, yeah, what are they talking about? Any idea?
Yes, sir. So they're basically creating a function. If you say greeting, it will say have a nice day.
Okay, where did you hear this word function? There was a function word?
So in Java. In Java, sir. But remember, she didn't teach how to make it. But
Yeah. For now, we'll not learn function all those functions or something. We'll learn something called as memory location and variables. Okay? Now, this concept is called as variables. Okay. Let me explain you first. Like, what is this concept? You know, like how you can store the files in the computer. Right? Like, yeah, you store any file there. It will be stored in the hard drive somewhere in the hard drive, right?
yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now, the same concept. Now, if you want to write, like, if you want to print, for example, have a nice day here. You can, if you want to print 100 times, then you have to write print of have a nice day, print of have a nice day, print of have a nice day 100 times. There should be 100 print statements. So, what if the word is very big, like Christopher Columbus entered into the India at 1863? Such a big word. You have to keep writing again and again and again. So it'll take time, and even the memory will be wastage for storing all
Yes,
those
sir.
things. So what we use here, we use something called as variable concepts. Yeah, if you know the computer basics, like they you would have known something memory location, all those things, memory, computer. Yeah. Okay, no
Like
problem.
there are C drives and D drives on the computer.
Yeah,
I know
very good.
that.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, that we consider as a location in the hard drive. Okay. Now, same concept. Okay. What is empty box as the memory location somewhere in the hard drive. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, what you have to do is whatever the word you want to word of some text you want to print 100 times or number of times, all you have is, for example, if I want to write hello, how are you? I want to print this 100 times. So what I'll do, consider an empty box. Okay, take this hello, how are you, and add box. Just box के अंदर डाल देना. Okay. So whenever you want to use hello, how are you, all you have to do is just look into this box and take that data is present in box. Like here, hello, how are you is present. Got it? Simple concept. Okay. Let me explain you. Yeah. In the in the data dashboard, you'll be trying to store in. Yeah, just a minute. Yeah. Now, for example, if you want to store some video, if you want to store something in some place, you create some folder drive. You create like there will be many folders. What you do, you just paste it in some folder. This is a video file, just it in some folder, so that you would know if I want to if you want to get a view. For example, consider WWE. Okay. Now you are showing it in a folder with name WWE, and there are many folders with name impact folder with name UFC. There are folders. Okay, so you watch a WWE video, you know like where I have to look for that video.
Yes, sir.
In the same way, here the computer will try to consider this as a folder. This box as a folder, WWE folder, and you are trying to store WWE video. Hello, how are you in that folder? That's it. Got it?
Okay.
Any doubt? You just take the video and
I got it.
you're trying to store that video inside folder. In the same way, consider this box as the folder. You want to store have a nice day. Have a nice day. If you want to store nice day video inside this folder, just keep it inside that folder. So whenever you want to watch this video, just you know which folder I have to get to, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now you I mean like us, we know regarding the folder and all those things. Okay, now computer doesn't know, like it doesn't know where it has to look. Like there can be hundreds of folders. There can be hundreds of folders. Some folder have hey, other folder might have hi, other folder might have bye, and other folder might have a nice day. It doesn't know exactly in which folder I have to look into. Got
Yes,
it?
sir.
So what we do is, for every folder we create a name. We give every folder. Okay, now here the name of this folder is called as greeting. So whenever I want to use have a nice day, just look into the folder with name greeting. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This is a very important. Okay,
So that and
this you understood, right? Most of
yes,
the, I
sir.
mean, like most of the kids, I teach it in a box. I mean, like I'll call it as a box. So they can for you with folders. That's why I send it after style. You understood, right? All you have to do
Yes, sir.
is, if take a folder, dump the and use and name the folder whenever you want. That's it.
Yes.
Okay. Same like in your, I mean, in your kitchen, like your mother would have named each and every box. Like this is sugar, this is salt. Otherwise your mother might add salt instead of sugar in the tea. Same
Yes, sir.
concept. Yeah, she might get confused and she might do that. So in order to not get confused, we use a names for each and every box. In the same way, we use names for each and every folder here. That's it. Similar
Okay, sir.
concept. Okay. Now we'll talk about how to use this in our programming. Now, before going into that, now whatever the folder in which we are storing this have a nice day is called as variable. Got it?
So greeting is a variable.
I'll tell you. This folder is called as a variable. Okay. Just a technical name. You can call it as a box, you call it as a folder, memory, or anything you wish. Technical name is variable. Okay. Whatever the name you give here, this greeting as you told, is called as variable name. Yeah. Whatever you
Okay.
told, yeah, correct. Variable is sorry, greeting is a variable.
Okay, sir.
Got it? Any doubts?
Yes.
Okay. You can have any name for the variable. Either you can have greeting, either you can have anything, your name also, Arna or anything. Okay. Fine. Okay, now we'll see how to implement this concept in our programming. Okay. Now, in order to do that, first you have to write the variable name. Like what will be the name of the folder. Consider the folder is already there. Folder is already created. First, you have to give the folder name. Sorry. It is some kind of a rule. First, you have to give the folder name in which you want to store, and then take the. I mean, then you have to write. There's something called as equals to. Can you see equals to there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, equals to is used for adding the have a nice day inside the box or inside the folder.
Okay, sir.
Just adding it. That's it. Equals to is used for adding the have a nice day inside the folder with name greeting. Got it? You can have
Yes, sir.
any folder name. Okay, as I told. Now, what we have to do, we have to whenever we want to use the have a nice day, we have to look into that folder using the folder name, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So we are using the folder name here. Whenever we want to print have a nice day, we will be just using the folder name here. That is greeting.
Okay, sir.
Got it? Just store
Yes.
it in the folder and use the folder name whenever you want to use it. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Similar like how I mean like how you store the video. You store it in some folder and whenever you want to see the video, you will just go into that folder and you will see. Same concept. Store have a nice day inside the folder. Whenever you want to use it, use the folder name here. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now try running it. Okay. You got the have a nice day, right? Do one thing. Just take the second line, print of greeting. Just copy it and print 10 times.
How, sir?
Just copy it. Control C. Just highlight it first. Just highlight it. Very good.
Yeah.
Copy. Control C. Okay. Now hit enter. Okay. Paste. Control. Yeah. Paste. Sorry. No. Hit enter and then paste. Write each and every one in different line. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah. Fine. I think how many are there?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Now try running. Yeah, you can see right there are leave those three which are printed previously. You will
Yes, sir.
find 10 here. Okay, just if you want to use it in many places, then store it in the folder and use it whenever you want using the folder name.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
So if you want to write it 1,000 times, so how will you write it there?
You can write print of greeting manually 100 times. Otherwise, in the upcoming sessions, we will talk something called as for looping for that purpose. You'll be writing that statement only once, but computer will print you for 100 times. I mean, the computer will use that print of greeting for 100 times. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you heard this in Java 1, the for loop. For
No, so I only did in demo, so I was not able to learn that.
okay, fine. Yeah. For, as I told, in the upcoming sessions, we can learn regarding it, like looping and all those concepts. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Can we go back to the session?
Yes.
Okay. There are around like two concepts left. We'll just look over into the concepts and you can attend the quiz also.
Yes, sir.
Continue. press on it. Press on the button. I'll explain you what is. If you haven't understood, I'll explain it. What is input? Okay. Now, if you want to like till now, what we did, we wrote the text inside the program directly. Like hi, how are you? We wrote inside the program directly. Now, if you want to write it while running the program, like if you want to give it to the computer while running the program, then there is something called as input. You can see a input right there. Input,
Yes, sir.
open bracket, close bracket. Okay.
Yes.
In what does input do? Input will ask you to give something. Whether you want to give any text, give the text. Whether you want to give any number, give the number. It will beg you to give something. To tell in simple way. Yeah. Okay. Now whatever you give within these double quotes, right? You here they have given enter your name, right? It's just optional. If you want to write, then you can write. Otherwise, no problem. But it will be good if you write, because if you don't use this enter your name, right, then whenever you run, you'll not be knowing like what you have to do next. Like what is computer expecting, you'll never know, because it is not telling you what to do. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
And what they are doing, whatever the input, whatever what is input doing here, it will take whatever you give and it will store it in the folder with name, and you are using that folder name here.
Okay, sir. So we have to write my result is saying enter your name. So should I write my name in the editor or in the output?
Output because while running we'll go there, right? We should give
Yes,
while
sir.
running, not manually. I mean not while writing. Okay, now
Yes.
click on the run button and try. Okay, now computer is begging you to give something. Okay, hit enter. No, no, not there, not there. Okay, just click there. Yeah, hit enter. Yeah, you can see, right? It is just taking whatever you give and it will store it and it is using again
So
here.
why did this come again?
Because you press the run button again, that's why.
Yes, I put my mistake.
Okay, okay. Do one thing. Remove that. Enter your name and try. Remove the double quotes totally. Enter your name, not there in the editor. Yeah. Okay. No, no, not that one. Just remove the double quotes. Whatever is present in the double quotes, remove that. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Let it be in this way. Now click run. Okay. Now can you like understand like what it is expecting? No, right. That's why
But
we write. Yeah. Tell. Sorry.
so you will tell. I didn't understand.
Yeah, wait, let me tell. Like you now you have removed it, right? Now you have removed the double quotes. I mean, like whatever it was written there, you just removed it and you hit run. Now you doesn't know whether you have to enter here anything or not, right? I mean, like it is not even asking you to enter. Like, is it telling you to enter anything? No. Like, how will you know what you have to enter here? Whether you have to enter a number or whether you have to enter a text, or even doesn't know whether you have to enter anything or not. You can even think that there's some issue with the program. That's why just for the documentation purpose, for just for readability, we use there like what I mean, like you can write like what the computer is expecting now. Like it might be expecting a text, it might be expecting a age or anything. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Understood? Any doubt you can
And
ask
we
me.
can write enter your age. So that will be so it will be okay. You are this year's age. So we
Yeah,
can write it like
yeah, you can write. We will see that in the next not session, next topic. That's the next topic.
okay.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Can we go back to the session?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Keep reading. Okay. Yeah. You can stop here. Yeah. Like if you want computer to beg you some number, then there is something called as int. Okay. You have to write input inside int. Okay. You can see there is something called as int, right? Just write input inside that int, open bracket and close bracket. When you write in such a way, then the computer will be expecting only numbers. Okay. Do one thing.
So int tells it to int tells the user to enter only number.
Only it will be expecting only number. Like for example, to manipulate you, I'll write enter your name. But if you gave your name right, you'll get some kind of an error. Okay.
Yes, so because I will use letters then.
Yeah, because it is expecting only the number. So enter only number. Do one thing, run it and enter number. Okay, enter any number. Okay, yeah. No, not there, not there. Enter. Yeah. The number is stored, right?
Yes, right.
Yeah. Do one thing. Click run again and give some in word.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. What you are getting? Read the last line.
Error.
You are getting some value error, right? Because value error means it is expecting only a certain value. So it is telling that what how it is identifying is, for example, you wrote int right here. Whenever you give int, the Python will look only into the numbers table. Numbers table means like from 1 to 1 crore, it will have a number table. So it will just go in whenever you give hello, right? It will go into the table and check if there is any number with name hello. So it can't find any number with hello with name as hello. So it is telling you, boss, I can't find any number with name hello. So it might be some value error. Please check.
Okay, sir.
Got it? Understood? Any doubt?
Yes. No, sir.
Okay. Can we go back to the session?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. What's the time? Sorry. Oh, it's 10:30 already. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Whatever you learned till now, you remember, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let's test. Okay. Yeah. You have to solve this quiz. If you get any doubt, you
Okay,
can ask me. I'll help you.
okay, sir.
Okay. Very good.
So what do we have to do in this?
You can see the boxes right down with print. You have to
Yes.
rearrange them. I mean, like you have to rearrange in such a way that you should get the above output.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Yeah, you have to drag them. Yeah. See the output properly.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah, just click on it. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Very good. It's a correct answer. Okay. Yeah. You remember all the concepts I told. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Very good. Very good. You didn't take any help from my side. You solved it. Or everything in first attempt. Very good. Yeah. Very good. You can proceed.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Do you? It's already late. It's already 10:30. You wanna solve this this program or check?
Sir, it is okay if I solve it at home also. It's not like I have to solve it today only.
Like Not, I mean, like you can't even look into this window again. That's why you can't use this window again. That's why once you end the session. That's why think about it. If you want to solve it, no problem. It will take around like extra 5 minutes. That's it.
Okay, so then I'll solve it. So what do we do?
I saw the look on your face and I understood. Like you definitely didn't understand the question. Okay, I understand. Yeah, I'll explain you actually. Okay, they wanted to create some currency converter. Okay, now, yeah, you're good at maths, right? You know the cross multiplication concept
Yes,
in
sir.
maths. Yeah. Now, listen carefully. For now, we will do only US dollars. Okay, it's already late. One US dollar is equals to. Please don't laugh.
73
My handwriting is very bad. Yeah, you're asking something. Okay. 1 US dollar equals to 73.79 rupees. Okay. Now, 100 rupees is equals to how many US dollars? 100 rupees is equals to how many US dollars? How do you identify? If you know cross multiplication, then it would be easy.
Sir,
Do
I
you
know it, but I don't know how to apply it right now.
do
I
one
know
thing? Yeah, tell me this thing, this concept. I'll help you. Tell me how to solve this equation and tell me. I'll explain. I'll help you how to write a program. Do you know cross multiplication? How to do cross multiplication concept?
I know it in fractions. I don't know how to do it.
Okay, fine. Yeah, cross multiplication. Consider the question mark. 100 US dollars is equals to X. Okay. Now perform cross multiplication and what is 100 ones are?
100.
Okay. 73.9 into X will become 73.9X. Okay.
Yes, sir.
God, it's very difficult to write using mousepad. 73.7. Oh, sorry, I missed. Okay, 73.79 X. Okay. Now, how can I identify X? What is X?
Wait a second, sir. Yes, 100 divided by 73.79.
Very good.
Which
That will be the US dollars, right? Now,
yes, sir.
write this 100 divided by 73.79 in your program. That's it. But I want you to do another thing. I want you to store 100 in one variable, 73.79 in another variable, and then use those variables in the print.
Yes,
Got it? You know how to do that?
yes, sir.
Yeah. Give any name to the variables. I don't give it that way, okay? Actually, that becomes a number. Give something using some words. Don't give numbers, okay? You're trying to store number inside a number. It will give you an error. Okay, yeah, fine. You can give anything. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Okay.
So should I write X?
No, no, no. There's no need. Don't need for all those concepts. Okay. Now, what we have to do? We have to do 100 divided by 73.79. Now, how will you write it in the print?
Yes, sir.
Is your mom awake?
Yes, of
So
course, sir.
that after the session, I would like to talk to her. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. What is the divided by sign?
No, sir. Should I write divided by second?
Yeah. Okay.
But
Now,
then this will not come in letters then because it is not in double quotes.
I
Now what
want
to do?
I want number. Who told I want a word? Who told I
No,
want to
sir.
write in characters? Yeah, tell.
No, if I write this slash, so it will not come in the output because it is not in double quotes.
There is no need for such way. Like there are some operators like plus, asterisk, divided by. For all those things, there is no need for double quotes. You can
Okay,
use
sir.
it right away. Okay.
Okay.
Just scroll down. You'll find an play run button. Sorry, build button. Yeah, yeah. 100 US dollars. Sorry, 100 rupees is equals to 1.35 US dollars. Very good. Okay. Understood? Like in this way, we
Yes,
can even do for euros, yen, and bitcoins. Okay. Understood?
yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, you have any doubts for me? You can ask
No, sir.
anything before we wrap up the session. Okay.
So,
Oh,
sir, when you leave the meeting, will
okay.
this automatically end?
I'll end the meeting. No. Do one thing. You have no doubts, right?
No, sir. I will just try to do this thing. If because every time the person will not write 100. So what do we do now? Will we write input with int?
Your wish. Your wish. Do anything you want.
Yes, sir. So just
Do.
I'm
Yeah, tell. Sorry.
just I'm saying that when you end the meeting, will this tiki session will also end?
Yeah, but you do one thing. You can try these concepts in the compiler. Like, do one thing. Press on the plus button. Open other tab. Remember these values and all these things. Enter Python compiler. Python compiler online. Python compiler online. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Open anyone. Anyone is fine. You can try all these concepts here. Whatever you want to try, right? Just open that. The other tab. I'll show you how to use that. Okay. Just write the data here and press the run button. That's it. Whatever you want to write, the print and all those things, write it here and just press on the print run button. That's it. Got
Sir,
it?
what's this? This box.
It's just the I think based on the website. It's just to be a website. Like
Okay, sir.
I mean, it's not there. There's no like what do they say? There's no rule specific rule. It should come. Okay. Okay. Yeah. If you don't have any doubt, you can end the session and you can rate me.
Yes, okay, sir.
Okay. Stop sharing before I mean while writing. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Rate me once it is done. We'll talk. Just few more minutes. That's it. Can your mother understand English?
Of course, sir.
Okay, then bach gaya. Like there are few parents who doesn't know English. That's why I can't speak to them in Hindi. I definitely don't know Hindi. I can understand Hindi. Okay, is it done?
Sir, right? We are in India, right?
Yeah. Okay.
We
That's
are
why
in
I'm.
India.
Yeah. Tell. Sorry.
Then Hindi.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So you are in Mumbai. You learned Hindi because your mother tongue is Hindi. You learned Hindi, but my mother tongue is different. My mother tongue is Telugu. So it will be difficult for I learned Hindi, but I don't actually speak like professional Hindi. Like my Hindi will be like a butler Hindi, like aata jata. That's it. I don't know exact proper words to speak. But I'm telling that I can definitely understand whatever you're telling in Hindi. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. How was the session, Arna?
It was, I will just read the comment. Friendly, engaging, helpful, and constructive.
Okay. Okay.
Explain.
Fine. Okay. You learned some new concept today, right? Apart from Java.
Yes,
Python
yes, sir.
concepts. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You can call your mother. Your name is like Arna. I mean, like I remember a TikTok star. Her name was Angel Arna. I remember that's one. Yeah, you can call your mother. I'll speak to her, and then we can end the session. Yeah. Hello, ma'am. Your mic is on mute. Hello.
Yes, hi, tell
Yeah.
me.
Yeah. Hello, ma'am. This is Shubash. Today I took your daughter's demo session. To tell you in simple words, like Arna is really amazing girl. Like she was a very fast learner and she was very active throughout the session, especially her social skills. She's very good with the strangers, especially. Okay.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah, like yeah, coming to the performance, as I told, she's very fast learner. Like she solved the quiz on her own, like after the guiding through all the activities and all those things. I think she is interested in coding, so it is good if you, I mean, like if you train her the coding at this age itself, like because in the future, like there can be many programming languages might be coming, so it will be difficult for her to learn the programming, new programming languages, and manage the academics both at the same time. So I just suggest to make, I mean, teach her the coding at this age itself. Um, okay,
Okay,
yeah, like
we'll do that. I think they're just on the edge of their final exam.
okay,
A
yeah,
week later, they're going to start their theory assessments on, those
okay,
heavy
yeah,
subjects.
yeah, okay, ma'am.
So we'll certainly want to look at it in the first week of March. Is that going to be okay with you?
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Like that's what I was gonna tell. Like we'll share you a Google Form link. So just
Yeah.
fill out the Google Form whenever you want, you are interested. And once you have filled the Google Form, just let me know. Like I'll give you a WhatsApp number. Just let me know that you have filled the Google Form, so that my academic counselor will get. I mean, will get contact to you, and he'll just tell you what is the cost, like what is the session regarding, and
Yes.
there is like different types of sessions, like 40 sessions, like 80 sessions, and 160 sessions. But if you want to, if she want to learn a programming completely and become perfect in it, then I prefer to 160 sessions, ma'am. I mean, like starting from her basic foundation, she can reach till she gets perfect. It would be better if she take
Okay.
up 160 sessions. Okay.
160 sessions means how many months would that work up to?
Actually, I not months. It would take like 1 year or something. Like because I
One
will,
year.
yeah, because I will be teaching through her in one-on-one session twice a week, 1 hour per week, per session. In that way, I'll be teaching her. That's why. Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Yeah, I'll share you the Google Form link. Fill it out and inform
Sure.
me once you are. I mean, when you are
But
ready.
I just want to, mention to you that first, sorry, I did not remember your name.
My name is Shubash. You can see on screen.
Shubash.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. So I just want to tell you that, many a times we have heard and also gone through
Okay.
that the tutor says that it will be a one-on-one.
Okay.
But whenever it is, we enroll, that time the tutor or the faculty has, two or three students on the other side as well.
No, ma'am. If you prefer one-on-one, we'll definitely have one-on-one. Like I have a paid session. Like I take other person a paid session. Like I'm teaching him one-on-one. I'll not make like one or two people join at the same meeting.
Okay. Now, I also have a second daughter, as you got to know,
Yeah, I think this.
Anika.
Yeah, this session was for your second daughter actually.
Right, right, right.
Yeah.
So maybe along with the preparations of this exams, if we can get a, demo for her and
Okay.
would like to know similar, type of views and comments from you about her as well.
Okay.
Then we'll also like to take a joint call and, see how we can do it after